Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Charles Schwab app. To begin, download the official Charles Schwab app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and securely log in using your existing username and password. For enhanced convenience and quick access, we recommend setting up biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or Face ID, right away. This makes logging in much faster. Once logged in, you'll land on your personalized dashboard. Here, you can easily view all your account balances and track your portfolio's performance at a glance. Explore the various sections to access in-depth investment research, market news, and valuable insights. The intuitive layout helps you quickly find what you need, from checking your holdings to exploring new opportunities. The app makes managing your investments straightforward. You can easily place trades for stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds directly from your mobile device. Transferring money between your Schwab accounts or to external banks is also simple and secure. Consider setting up recurring investments to automate your savings and investment goals, helping your portfolio grow consistently over time. Finally, the app provides robust tools for managing your account. You can easily update your personal information, adjust communication preferences, and review important documents. If you ever need assistance, direct access to customer support is just a tap away. And speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum in the description below for a smarter clean, along with other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.